Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB 48 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to locate calendar and tap on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner a couple of times and just got it. Over here you need to pick a date by clicking at the chosen one. I will go with that one. And choose tap to create by simply tapping. Or you can also click on got it over here and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then select event from it and over here customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title by tapping on over here by tapping on enter title times people places. I will go with party. Then click on this little icon on your keyboards and pick starting hour or ending one. You can also choose add location, choose allow in the pop-up, type wherever you wish to and click on correct one. Then click on add notifications and select one of those options or click create custom notification by picking how many minutes, hours, or weeks before you want it. I will go with 5 minutes before and clicking done at the bottom right corner of it. You can even change color and take notes. When you're done, save your event by clicking on save at the top right corner of it, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on it one more time, and then choosing this little pen icon. Over here, make your changes and tap on save one more time. But you can also delete your event by clicking on those 3 dots at the top right corner of it, selecting delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!